Santa Mary Shilla, a legislator from Saipung Sutanga constituency in East Giant Hills, informed the media that the state has secured Rs 200 crore for road improvements. Shilla expressed her concern over the condition of NH6 in East Giant Hills. She further stated that the road has suffered extensive damage due to years of neglect, reducing large sections to muddy, impassable stretches, disrupting transport and posing significant risk to small vehicles and emergency medical services.
And even our deputy CM also has taken, at that time before the monsoon happened, before the sanction happened, he had gone by himself to Delhi. He had spoken to our union minister in India, and they have given also the sanction of 200 crores. And now it's like, after everything is done and the work has been taken up, we are just waiting that the rain will stop and the work will go on. And of course, the contractor has to really work hard to finish this work, because this is the connectivity to many states.